Today we're going to fit some of these handguard MT-03, but they're probably similar for most bikes. I've got bike specific ones for this bike. I could have got some for a fraction of the price, some aftermarket ones off eBay or somewhere like that, but these are specifically made for this bike apparently. I'm not sure how exactly they're specifically made, but they are. So that's the guard in question. Doesn't seem like there's very much of it for what you pay really, but these are quite expensive. They can look quite nasty, I think, the cheaper ones off eBay. So that's the company, Puke. What's a nice feature actually, they give you instructions for the left and the right, which is a bit strange, but there you go. And you get some nice reflectors to put on. Anything that helps you see better is always good in my eyes. Put them on afterwards. So they look fairly straightforward. Looks like you need to remove the mirror, take out the bar end weight hex nut. It shows you on these to actually assemble them as you're putting them on, but this is how much I got out of the packet really, and it's all pretty much assembled really, so it seems fairly straightforward. Just one bolt through they give you an extended bolt. So it looks like you leave the bar end, you just take the hex nut out, it looks like. Take the bolt out the end of the hex, the bar end weight. Fit this, gives you a small bushing to put inside the hex nut on the existing. And then it gives you like another shroud to put on top with a longer bolt, and that's pretty much it really. So we'll go ahead and fit one side first, and I suppose one side's enough because it's just going to be mirrored on both sides really. So we'll do one side and then we'll see how it looks at the end. The mirror on this particular bike, you need a 17mm spanner just to remove that mirror. I'll just wind it loose for now, I think, as I want to put it on the floor in case it gets down. You've got a hex Allen key bolt on the end. We're going to leave that there. We're just going to take the bolt out. Okay, then it's just to put a little nylon bush in back in the hole. Okay, so once you've got the hex bolt out, you get a longer thread, and it's plastic washer type thing on the end. It looks like another end weight, but it's just a plastic. So you put the bolt through. It's going to be a longer bolt, obviously. We'll feed it through the end of the hand grip like that. We'll slide the little bushing on top of that as well. We might as well take this off now, I think. It's the same size. Okay, once you've got your correct Allen key, so this will go back on there. Screw that back in there, which actually looks a bit too long to me, but see how we go on. How far in is that going to wind? Probably get. That's how it goes back on there. This bit's adjustable, so you can get the angle right. It's a good job I've fitted adjustable levers, and then you can, what I might do, I might just start this back up now. Let's tighten this one and one up. Play on there, but let's get our spanner, tighten this bolt back up. Okay, so that's tight. Little plastic end cap to put on back on the hex nut. Finishing touch. Okay, I'll go ahead and put the other side on, and then I'll do a pan out view, and you can see them both fitted on the bike, and then you can see what you think. So that's both sides fitted now. Okay, that's the finished side. I went ahead and fitted the second one on this side. Got the stickers on as well. One thing to bear in mind, I don't know if you can see on this other wing mirror, you've got slots. If you've got a slot on some like cuts on the nut there, that means it's a reverse thread. So you'll have to obviously tighten it to loosen it, so it's reversed on that one, on this side. So just bear that in mind when you change them. That's them looking from inside. Ample room. I think they look quite good. Hopefully it should keep the wind, more just to keep the wind chill off the fingers really. I think they look pretty smart. The only thing I wasn't too sure about is they do actually stick out from the ends of the bars, but then they don't stick out further than the mirrors, so it shouldn't really be a problem, I suppose. You just got to allow for that if you're just going through traffic. So that's them finished now. I think they look quite good. Hopefully they'll be quite a bit effective for what I want them for. They do look smart as well, I think. Nice finishing touch to the bike. They look good with the stickers on as well. Nice easy job. Doesn't take long at all. Thanks for watching.